get it to do it sometime. I'm locked up in the bottom. Can't you do it sometime? Push it too far. Fine, electrify my, oh, electrify my golden too. Can't look at your eyes without sparkling sun. Electrify my heart. Electrify my heart. Hello, today we're making Buttercup by Stauber. This song is filled with a lot of instruments, a lot of stuff is happening, but we'll try to summarize the song in simple chords, okay? So let me first show you the chords that we need for the song. After that we'll look at the parts, the string patterns, and then we'll do the play along. Let's go. Alright, so the first chord we need is G major 7. Then we need the chord of G. Then we need the chord of B7 suspended 2, which is pretty much just F sharp minor with the pinky on the second fret of the A string. I don't know if you can see that. Also we need F sharp minor without the pinky. And for the outro we also need the chord of G9, which is barring on the second fret and just the middle finger on the third fret of the E string. And also the chord of F sharp. These are needed only in the outro, okay? Alright, so pretty much throughout the song you are holding G to F sharp minor. This is the main part. And we also have this little thing that is sliding from here. So you're grabbing the E minor shape starting on the 11th fret of the C string, 10th fret of the E string, and 9th fret of the A string. And you're sliding this and really quickly here grabbing the G chord, okay? So you're doing this before every verse, alright? Fine, electrify my golden too. Can't look at your eye without sparkling sun. Alright, but before that we have the intro, which is G major 7, then to G. Alright, you're just putting the ring finger on the third fret, and after that B7 suspended 2 to F sharp minor. Alright, and you start the verse again from here. And also in the I'm doing G to G major 7 to F sharp minor. Alright, this is the little difference. The outro is G twice to G out 9, which means just you're keeping G and also playing the A tone here on the second fret of the G string. And then F sharp minor to F sharp major, and you finish on G. Alright? I don't know if somebody will actually do these other parts. You probably just want to learn this. Which is kind of a nice technique. The string pattern I'm doing in this song is completely improvised by me because there's so much stuff going on in this song that you cannot really pick up any string pattern. The guitar is just doing one down strum in the song, but the other instruments are filling the space. So this is what I'm doing: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, let's do the play along right now. Alright, so that was my ukulele tutorial for Buttercup. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon. Goodbye.